Today we'll replace the MacBook Pro 13-inch M2 heatsink in clear, safe steps. Tools and safety: Phillips driver, plastic spudger, thermal paste, thermal pads, and an ESD strap. Disconnect power first. Remove the bottom screws and lift the case using a plastic opening tool. Disconnect the battery connector and ground yourself with the ESD strap before touching internal parts. Unscrew the heatsink mounts and gently lift the heatsink away from the board. Inspect connectors, fan area, and thermal pads for damage. Note any residue or lifted pads. Clean old thermal paste and residue from the CPU and heatsink with isopropyl alcohol and lint-free swabs. Apply a thin, even dot of thermal paste to the CPU and replace necessary thermal pads. Seat the replacement heatsink, then tighten screws in a cross pattern to ensure even pressure. Reattach all connectors, replace the bottom case, and reinstall the screws securely. After reassembly, run a stress test. Expect noticeably lower sustained temperatures and more consistent performance. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear MacBook repair guides.